I got this palette from Makeup Forever, and this is HD Skin all-in-one palette, and I want to show you guys how I use just using this whole palette on my skin. I'm gonna go into this shade and I'm gonna start applying, and I'm gonna be tapping with the brush. And then I'm gonna go with my beauty sponge and I'm just gonna tap the product in. I'm gonna try to a little bit color correct. So I'm gonna go into this peachy color and I'm just gonna apply lightly, just where I have the most darkness. And then I'm gonna blend and tap with my finger to melt it. I actually heard that a lot of people don't like how this looks as a concealer, so I'm really curious to see if it's actually gonna work. Again, with the tip of my finger, I'm gonna warm up the product and I'm just gonna tap. And then I'm gonna conceal my eyelids as well. Now for the bronzer, I'm gonna use this medium shade and I'm gonna start bronzing my skin a little bit. I'm gonna go with the sponge and I'm just gonna blend everything. And I'm gonna give a little bit more dimension right now with this darker shade. I'm gonna bring a light a little bit back. I'm gonna go into this peachy color and I'm gonna use it as my blush. I'm actually gonna go into this one as well. I feel like it's a little bit more brighter. And now for the highlight, I'm gonna go into the highlight shade. I'm gonna powder just a little bit and I just wanna see how it's gonna look. Okay, my skin looks flawless. I'm not sure why few people were complaining you cannot use this product underneath your eyes. I think it looks beautiful. It's flawless. It's not creasing. It's not dry. I think my skin is glowing. It's luminous. I'm definitely going to be using it much more. I love it. Let me know if you guys used it or if you're willing to try.